Hi guys! So welcome ulit sa ating tutorial So for today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano kumuha ng quotient and remainder using the Canon F789 SGA. So yung problem natin, find the quotient and remainder of 143 divided by 7. So first step natin, press natin si ups. Then select natin si number 5, itong Q, tapos R ang nakasulat. So, next, itatype naman natin yung dividend natin na si 143. And then, press natin si shift. And then, itong close parenthesis. Next, itatype naman na natin yung divisor natin which is 7. So, to get the quotient and remainder, just press equals. So, our quotient is 20 and our remainder is 3. So, ganun lang yung pagkuha natin ng quotient and remainder using the Canon F789 SGA.